If you're getting a bank connection error in entity software, Wave accounting software, yeah, that means your bank isn't syncing properly and transactions may not update. Let's fix it step by step. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Bank syncing won't work if your connection keeps dropping. Next, refresh the page and try reconnecting your bank. Sometimes it's just a temporary sync glitch. Now check if your bank itself is having issues. Yeah, sometimes the bank's servers are down, not Wave. Next, disconnect your bank account from Wave and reconnect it again. This resets the sync session completely. Now turn off any VPN or proxy. Banks often block logins or connections from unusual IP addresses. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Yeah, corrupted session data can break bank syncing. Now try reconnecting your bank in an incognito window. This helps bypass extension or cache issues. Next, disable all extensions temporarily. Ad blockers or security tools can interfere with bank authentication. Now double check your bank login details. Yeah, even a small password change can break the connection. Next, make sure your browser is updated. Outdated browsers can fail secure banking connections. Now, reauthorize your bank inside Wave. Some banks require fresh authentication every few days. If nothing works, contact support. Yeah, there may be a syncing issue between your bank and Wave system, and that's it. One of these fixes should solve bank connection errors in entity software, Wave accounting software, and restore your syncing.